Madam, recording is started.
Not then recording. Just wait. Has it started? But I can't see the button.
No,
I
madam.
mean, I can't see the.
No, I have its control. You can start now.
Shall I begin?
Madam. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Right. Jayashree, just pin me on the screen.
Yes, ma'am, you will be visible here.
Shouldn't be that my head is. Am I visible? I can't see myself. I'm sorry.
Yes, madam.
They just talk.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, madam, start.
Okay. A warm morning to one and all present here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A warm morning to one and all present here. Am I audible and visible? These are two things that I need to ask you all. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. The name is very tough. Gaurav and all. Thank you so much. And for this session, I would like you all to talk to me. I have along with me two seniors of yours, Jayashree and Sangeeta, who are helping me with the technology. And they have been the board members of the literary club members, literary club. So you can talk to them too and feel comfortable because you haven't come across seniors in this college. I felt that I would bring two of them along. Today's session happens to be a short session on what is soft skills, was the name given. Now, when you look at hard skills and soft skills, there are two different aspects. Hard skills, which are there, you find that there's a proof for it, there's a measurement for it. Whereas soft skills is something which is not visible. It has critical thinking, problem solving, leadership, adaptability, flexibility. Nothing can be seen, but yet they make your personality. And so it becomes so necessary that we learn what makes the difference. There are students who have the same education, and when they appear for placements or higher education or begin their own entrepreneurship, they find that life is different for them. We wonder why is life different for students with the same education. Remember, there's something called an attitude which plays a difference. Attitude is that it is molded and developed, but many a times our experiences, since we don't have the same kind of life, we all face ups and downs, setbacks, and we come out of it too. So our experiences which are there make us negative or positive. So at Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, we take it as a, as a journey where we can change you and transform you. And when we bid you goodbye, we bid confident individuals a goodbye. Like we have Jayashree and Sangeeta who will be leaving the college in another 2-3 months, and I'm going to miss them a lot. Okay, so I would like you all to have a similar journey. And when you leave the college, I think we will be proud and as friends rather than our students. So today's session, a warm welcome to you all. I'm Dr. Jyoti Ramesh Pai from the Humanities and Professional Development under the Applied Sciences Department. Any other subject like chemistry, mathematics, physics are all included under the Applied Sciences Department, and so English language also happens to be under the Applied Sciences Department. So here we have, in the first year, though we don't have English language, it has been an endeavor by the college to begin a bridge course for you all so that we can close the gap that is there for students and then go to the second year where you have a wonderful syllabus which has been redesigned by the Savitri Bai Phule University, Pune University. And Pune University happens to be the 19th in the NIFR University records. We find that this syllabus has been transformed with the computer students studying humanities and social sciences in the second year. They have employability skills for the engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering students. We have in the third year for employability skills for the civil engineering students. And then in addition to that, we have aptitudes. We also introduce you to various resources where you can study on your own. We have we help you design your statement of purpose when you go abroad. We help you with the IELTS exam, the Duolingo exam, and we train you actually to become autonomous or self-independent, and where you don't need a special coaching at all if you follow the regime or the routine that we put in. We find that usually that the 4 years are too short a period. Many of the students, when they join, they feel that they have come into the professional institute and it is easy for them to just go away. Remember, getting placed is easy, but remaining in a job requires a lot of professional etiquettes and growth as good individuals. And so we felt that we would introduce you to the small session. And along with the session, I felt that I wouldn't bore you by speaking a lot, because every one of you has been given lots of inspiration all these days. So we'll have some activities today and we'll wind it up at 10:45 sharp. Since I'm from the soft skills department, I am particular about punctuality. If it's 9:45 is the time prescribed, we have been here at 9:40. So I would like you all to carry this value ahead and be punctual. There are some ground rules that you need to follow. Switch off your mics, but do participate. Do not participate by just speaking into the chat box. Firstly, we can have 3 introductions today so that I don't speak just to this camera which is there. I speak to you all. I saw Prathamesh switch on his camera. I have seen Rutuja switch on her camera. And I would like to have a short introduction. Rutuja, if you don't mind, something about you, 2 sentences. Would you like to say 2 sentences about yourselves? Since I don't know you at all. None of you. Anyone in the class who would like to, this session? Jayashree, can you pick 2 of them?
Yes, ma'am. I think Rutuja can speak, right? Rutuja Yele.
I wanted 3 students to introduce themselves. I think Siddesh Patil, from where are you? Yeah. Yes. Pardon? Yeah, call out your name. Okay, Siddesh. Siddesh? Okay, your mic is making noise. Okay. Rutuja, are you ready? Are you speaking, Rutuja? Now, this is the first part of it. See, 73 students, there were 75, 80 students here, and none of you is willing to introduce yourselves in 2 sentences. You can just tell from which state are you or which city are you and what is it that you bring along with you. Now, this is what makes a lot of difference, and it makes me, yeah, my mic has a problem. That's fine. I think anybody else? Rutuja Evle, I see you switching on and switching off the camera. Can you just say something?
Please unmute your mic, Rutuja.
Komal, there are so many. Call out the name, Jayashree, one more name. Probably somebody.
I see Meenakshi here. Meenakshi R.
Who's it?
It's Meenakshi R. R. Meenakshi.
Okay, Nandita Nikam. Can you introduce
See,
yourself?
all you have to do is say hi.
Okay. Yeah, Meenakshi, Nandita, and we'll have Saurabh. Okay, Meenakshi, Nandita, and Saurabh. 2 lines from you. Okay, Deep Seetal has raised her hand. Is it a boy or girl? Okay, Deep, can you introduce yourselves?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Uh,
If not, let me show you uh, a few slides and then we begin with the activity. Okay, so it shows that everyone needs a lot of courage. Yeah, yeah, Deep. Thank you so much. Please. Yes, Deep.
yes, my full name is Prashadip Singh Sittal.
Your mic is muted, Deep.
Hello,
No,
am
ma'am.
I audible?
He's audible. Yeah. Yes, you are audible.
Hmm.
My name is Prashadip Singh Sittal.
Okay.
I am from Pune.
Yes, yes, audible, audible. Hmm.
Yes, go on. Go on.
Yeah, myself Prashadip Singh Sittal
Okay. Pune, which school?
in Pradikran, Nigdi Pradikran, nearby to our school, college.
Okay, wonderful. A
Yeah,
warm welcome, Deep.
thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. So out of the 75, 80 students, I have Deep. Okay, you're from which school? Where did you? Oh, okay, thank you so much. Now you can look at the slide here. We have academics, additional preparation for the students, and we have the literary club with the activities. Okay, and these are a few of the pictures that we have. We have a Model United Nations every year, and we had the last one with UNHRC committee on March 12th, 2020. So you find that students grow confident through all these activities. We have throughout the lockdown, we had lots of intercollegiate debates and group discussions and poetry recitation, and we literally enjoyed this time. I wanted to show it to you so that you understand that these activities make you better. When you look at why communication skills for engineering students, we often find that it is globalization that brings the world together. You find that English language is widely spoken, and so it forms a bridge. And you find that most of the technology and the other subjects are in English. In addition to that, if you wish to study abroad, you need to appear for exams like IELTS, GRE, TOEFL, and then Duolingo. And so it becomes necessary that you understand English language and gain proficiency over the skills of listening, speaking, reading, and writing. You find that if engineers have to communicate with the society, you definitely need to talk to people and understand it better. And we call that the people skill or the life skills. And it is English language is considered to be a language for communication. You also find that those all the companies are multinational companies and they want engineers to have sound language so that they are able to
There's a bit of connectivity issue here. Just a minute. There's some connectivity issue on mom's side. Just hold on for a minute.
Hello, Rutuja. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Call to ma'am and say rejoin the meeting.
I
Yeah, I
can't
did.
hear you.
I spoke to ma'am.
Okay.
She'll be joining.
Yes, and rejoin the meeting.
Am I there? No? Jayashree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Let me show you the picture once more.
Ma'am, you'll have to represent, I guess.
Is it okay? Represent it. Sorry. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, Jayashree. I increase the time for by 1 minute. 10:05. Yeah. Athar, we are beginning. Okay, right. Ready? So let's have Athar. Rutuja, are you going to say it or Athar is going to say? The one who said Chalu Karo Yaar? Yeah, we'll have him speak about it. Yes, Athar, come on. Athar? Okay. Who's going to speak about the picture in few lines? Okay, you joined it right now. Okay, so did you see the picture or not? So you felt there was some. Okay, Rutuja, come on. Come on, Rutuja. Yeah. Your mic is muted. Mic is muted. Switch on your mic. Switch on the mic. Rutuja.
Yes,
So isn't there
madam.
anyone?
Yes,
Yes, yes,
madam. Madam, yes. Please start.
yes. Yeah. Please. Quickly, do not waste time. It should be very quick. It's so simple. There's a picture given to you, and you
Ma'am, the
just need to.
picture, uh,
Yeah, is
the screen
it?
shows your meet
The,
screen. It's not showing the picture.
Uh, again, represent. Represent, madam.
again, okay. You want to see the picture once more. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You'll have to click on the pictured screen.
Yeah. Is it visible now?
Yes, yes.
Anyone who's, yeah, please describe it. The more you learn to describe, it'll be easier for your IELTS exam too, for the aptitude test too. The aptitude is based on all these things. Babita, are you willing to describe it quickly? Um,
Ma'am, this is a
Priya,
good
ma'am, I find that
question.
this batch is, yeah. I think anyone who's speaking? Chaitanya, come on. What do you feel about this picture?
Ma'am, I don't
Yes,
know
Chaitanya.
about it. Ma'am, I don't know about this topic. I came now.
No, you don't need to know the topic. You have to just speak what you feel about the picture. The topic is nothing related to anything. I mean, you don't need to know
Okay.
about
Okay.
the history. You just need to use your yes.
Ma'am, this is a group discussion.
It's just a people skill. We say, we find a man. You can imagine what is happening and put your ideas. That's all. There's nothing correct or wrong here. It's subjective.
Ma'am, I see a person thinking about something.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. A person
I see
thinking about something.
He's
he's
bit
watching something.
confused.
He's watching something, I see.
Yes.
Or he is in a deep thought, I guess.
Okay. What else?
He is looking for customer.
Yeah, he's in deep thought, contemplating. What else? Sorry? Yeah. Yeah. That's a good one. He's waiting for customers. Okay, very good. What else? Arpit, you can add something quickly. Anshu?
Ma'am, we have
working?
answers in the chat box too.
This man is in a deep thinking something.
His ability to connect with people, negotiate, agree, disagree, you find that there's lots to be done. Okay, so that's why it's important that you learn how to describe things, and for all this you require vocabulary. So let's go to a vocabulary exercise, and I hope that you all will participate in this. This is a normal kind of one. Yeah, maybe he's still thinking about an idea, but you could have made it into a story form. Okay, so we'll go. We had the pandemic, we had new vocabulary. Yeah, that's true. Okay, now you come out into in the chat box. I wanted you to chat. I wanted you to speak. So during the pandemic, we came across certain words which were very different, new. We learned pandemic. We had learned about epidemic, but we learned about pandemic and many more because we never had a pandemic all the years. So let's go to the vocabulary based on COVID-19, and then we will have a quiz. Everybody will solve the quiz together. We all will do it together. Okay? So let's do this. No, I'm sorry. Okay? So for the vocabulary, you can listen to it. We have a few words for listening, and rest of the words, we have many words. We have a glossary of words. We will do this, and then we will do the quiz. So that's the way we learn vocabulary usually. So are we ready?
Coronavirus.
How do you pronounce?
Coronavirus. Coronavirus. COVID-19. COVID-19. COVID-19.
Okay, we have a UK pronunciation and US pronunciation. You can see every word has a transcript, and you see how it is. If you do not know this transcript, this is based on the 44 sounds in English. If you do not know this, then there is a mic with which you can learn it up. So we'll just see the glossary of words here, and we'll learn what are the words. So I want every one of you, each one reads one. Okay, just reading. And then we go to the quiz. Are we ready? Jayashree, am I there or have I left the meeting?
No, ma'am, you're here. Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Sangeeta and Jayashree, just inform me.
Yes.
Suddenly I may be thrown out. Yeah, there is. Okay. So Abhishek, please read the first one quickly. I want all the words to be read quickly and then we go to the quiz. Abhishek Jadhav, the first one. If you are not going to participate, please remember you have to speak it out, not in the chat box. Okay, Kunal, the first one. Kunal, please read the first one. No one wants to read. And if you're not going to read, you'll never enjoy this. Okay, Jayashree and Sangeeta, you read it out. Sangeeta, you read it out for these students.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
want to miss out the chance. Yes, Sangeeta. All this. Come
Okay.
on.
Animal-human interface. Any point where animal, domestic and wild, and human meet. Animal diseases can potentially pass to humans at any animal-human interface, such as zoo, farm, or animal market.
Okay, the next one.
Next one is asymptomatic, showing no symptoms
Yes.
of a particular disease. She had no idea her husband had coronavirus because he was asymptomatic. Next
Good.
is carrier, a person or animal that transmits a disease to others, whether suffering from it themselves or not. People who are asymptomatic still can be carriers. Next
Okay,
is
the
carry,
next one.
be infected with the disease and be able to transmit it to others. Where symptomatic or asymptomatic, some people may carry coronavirus without knowing it.
Now
Community
this
spread.
carry, yeah, this carry is different from the earlier one. Okay. Come on, the next one. Quickly, just the first part. Okay. The
Okay.
sentences, if they are interested, students are interested, they read it. Otherwise, we finish it on our own. They'll
Ma'am,
miss
I
out
see
an opportunity.
Anuj, someone else raising hands.
Okay,
Are you willing to
Anuj, come
speak,
on,
sir?
read.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
please. Yeah, please.
Community spread. Transmission of disease directly within a community and not by importation from a foreign source. With this many new positive cases, the evidence suggests that we now have community spread right here in our country.
Good, very good. The next one.
Kavita wants
Contact tracing.
to.
Yeah.
Identification and monitoring of people who may have had contact with an infectious person by insisting on a strict contact tracing. As soon as someone was potentially infected, they managed to control the spread of the disease.
Good, very good. The next one.
Contagious. Describing a disease that can pass from person to person, usually by direct contact. Describing a person with such a disease.
Yes.
See infectious. Patients who are still contagious are kept in isolation.
Okay. We won't do coronavirus and we will not do COVID.
Coronavirus. Any one
No,
of a
no,
large family of
won't.
viruses that can cause
We
disease,
won't do it.
including and eating symptoms.
Yeah, Anuj, we won't do that. We'll go to directly diagnose.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll go to diagnose. Diagnose.
Okay, diagnose. Identify an illness by examining the symptoms. Only a medical professional can properly diagnose the cause of your problem.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
And
next
diagnosis.
also.
Yeah. Diagnosis.
Diagnosis. Identification of illness by examination of symptoms. If you are not happy with the doctor diagnosis, you could always get a second opinion.
Okay. Disease, we leave
Disease,
it.
illness, sickness.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go ahead. And droplets.
From disease,
Yes.
droplets. The spray produced when people cough or sneeze and which can spread disease like COVID-19. Healthcare personnel wear protecting clothes to guard against the disease carrying droplets when infected people sneeze or cough.
Good. Thank you so much, Anuj. Anybody else who is interested? Yes, Nandini.
Kavita wants to speak.
Yeah, yeah. Nandini also had raised her hand. Yes.
Epidemic, occurrence of particular disease in a large number of people in a particular area. The city was devastated by an epidemic of cholera in 19th century.
Good. The next
Flatten
one.
the curve. Change the steep upward curve on a graph of the new disease causes the flatter, shallower upward curve over a longer time period through measures such as social distancing. Authorities hope that by introducing social distancing, they will be able to flatten the curve and avoid hospitals being rapidly overwhelmed with the new cases.
Very
Herd
good. The next
immunity.
one. Wait.
Herd
The
immunity.
next, Jayashree, the next student. Jayashree and Sangeeta, the next student.
Ma'am, Kavita wanted to speak and
Yeah.
Komal wanted.
Yeah, okay. Kavita and Komal.
Herd immunity and indirect protection from a disease resulting from a large percentage of the population gaining immunity. Incubation period, the time from a person's first exposure to a disease to the time when symptoms develop. In fact, affect a human or an animal with a disease. Infected,
next one, Komal.
affected with a disease.
Kavita, let's ask Komal. We are almost to the end. So, Komal, yours is the last opportunity. Quickly.
Infection, describing a disease that can be transmitted through the environment, describing a human or animal capable of spreading an infection. See, avoid the dog's care as they may still be infectious.
Okay. The next one. It's done. We have some more. Now, anybody else, Jayashree?
I see only these people.
Okay.
You can raise hands, okay? There's an
Yeah,
option down. If you want to speak, please raise hands.
Anyone can take this isolate. We have few more. That's all.
Okay, ma'am, we have Vibha and Kshitij.
Okay. Done. Let them begin. And read
And we have one
it
more.
like just the first part. Leave the sentences. Only the meanings which are there. Yeah. Who's it?
Vibha, you can go first.
Yeah, Vibha and then Vaishnavi.
Thank you, ma'am. Isolate, keep an infected person away from healthy people. They will isolate anyone expected of having the disease.
Isolation.
Isolation, separation of infected people from healthy people by serious contagious diseases like COVID-19. Travelers arriving from infected area were immediately put in isolation.
Okay, the next one. Yes. Om. And Vaishnavi is also there. Jayashree, just see the order.
Vaishnavi can go next.
Yeah, Vaishnavi.
A mask, a piece of fiber or cloth that fits over the nose and mouth to protect other people from wearer's germs or wearer from germ in the air.
Okay, we leave novel coronavirus. We go to outbreak. Next one.
Plasma therapy is a medical procedure that uses the blood of a recovered patient to create antibodies on those infected individuals.
Okay. The next one.
Om is there.
Okay, Om is reading it. Who's reading it?
Om, you can read it.
Patient 0, no?
Yeah. Patient zero.
The person identified as the first to become infected with the disease in an outbreak. Authorities usually try to determine who patient 0 was in any given outbreak, as can help answer important questions about how, when, and why it started.
Absolutely. We had the first patient till 0. Where did we begin? At Wuhan. Okay. The PCR test.
Priyanka can go next.
Yeah, Priyanka.
Priyanka, you can speak.
And the next one we can give Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am, we have Nitin, Swapnil.
Yeah. Jayashree, you managed according to their distances.
Yes, ma'am. Nitin, you can go now.
A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infected disease.
Okay, louder.
Skills ala. Speaker off it.
Is it done?
Swapnil can go next. Is there a problem?
Not audible, isn't it? Audio,
Yeah.
audio is, yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
Swapnil,
we
you
have
try to
last. Is it done?
No, ma'am, we have a list here.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. If Swapnil is not ready to speak, Atharva or Abhishek can speak.
Yeah. Atharv, begin quickly.
I'm quarantine, right?
Yeah, we can begin with quarantine.
Isolation and monitoring of people who seem healthy but may have been exposed to an infectious diseases to see if they develop symptoms. For centuries, it's been common for ships arriving from infected areas to be kept in quarantine at the docks, originally for 40 days, which is where the term comes from.
Yeah.
Next is
Next
Abhishek. Okay, now Abhishek can speak.
मैम SARS ना मैम
Yes, go on.
मैम can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Go on.
SARS CoV-2 noun a served acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 the final official name for the coronavirus that causes COVID-19. This virus was previously known as 2019 nCoV. SARS-CoV-2 is the name of the virus, and COVID-19 is the name of the disease.
Okay, thank you. Ritu, you can speak. Ritu?
Yes, ma'am. Testing or screening.
Yeah,
Testing
go
of.
on.
Ma'am, screen is not.
Ma'am left the meeting. There seems to be a problem. Please hold on.
Ma'am, screen is not.
Yes, please hold on. Yeah. Okay, ma'am's here. So Ritu, you can continue. Okay, ma'am. So Ritu, you can.
Ma'am, screening. No?
Yes, Ritu. Ritu, we can't hear you.
Lights are not visible.
Okay. Now, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We have a few of these you can read. We begin with the quiz now. Okay. Shall we begin with the quiz?
Okay.
Okay. So this is this.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone can answer this.
Asymptomatic.
The ones who raised their
Asymptomatic.
hands previously they can
Asymptomatic.
answer now.
Asymptomatic.
Yeah. Sangeeta, you can read the question, no?
Asymptom.
Second one.
Yes, ma'am. Which is a virus? COVID-19, influenza, coronavirus.
COVID-19.
COVID-19.
Coronavirus.
I'm just
Coronavirus.
asking the first answer that I get.
COVID-19.
Which is a disease?
COVID-19.
COVID-19.
Okay.
SARS-CoV-2 can dash humans.
Infect.
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 Which is most widespread?
A pandemic.
Pandemic.
The word quarantine comes from
The number 40.
Number 40.
number 14.
Yeah, this was read by a student, and so we know it. Okay, come on.
After
Next
showing
one.
symptoms, he was told to dash for 14.
Quarantine.
How, madam?
The answer?
Quarantine.
Quarantine. 14 days.
A person with symptoms of a disease dash that disease.
May have.
May
May have.
a disease that can be transmitted to humans from animals is
Zoonotic.
Zoonotic.
Very good. That was the last one actually. No one read it.
he was happy to learn that his mother tested dash for the coronavirus.
Negative.
Negative.
Okay. So you feel that all these answers are correct? Do you feel that all
Yes.
these answers are correct?
Yes.
I show you the answers and then you'll understand. Okay. You have only 90%, 10% wrong. Which one?
Seventh one. Self-isolation.
We review it once more. Is this correct?
Seventh is
Seventh one.
Seventh is incorrect.
Yes.
Influenza.
Self-isolate the will the answer.
Self-isolate.
Should have been the answer. See, in spite of you all doing 90 of us studying the vocabulary first and then doing 10, yeah, 40 because that's the number. That was what was given, in the vocabulary list. There was a description of the word. So we first did the descriptions, then we did it, and still we scored only 90%. And that's exactly what happens when you go in for your aptitudes. Now we have another color quiz. Okay. There are a lot of colors that are used in English language, and each
Beet red.
language
Beet red.
some indication.
Beet red.
Beet red.
My face goes.
Beet red.
Sangeeta, what do you
Beet
think,
red.
Sangeeta?
Beet
Yes,
red.
beet red.
From the first part.
My face goes dash when I'm embarrassed.
Beet
Beet
red.
red is the answer that many of them gave. Next one.
The boxer was dash
Black and blue.
Black.
Black and blue.
black blue.
If you have the blues, you
Whatever I hear.
If you have the blues, you feel
sick.
Sad.
sick.
Sick is the answer I'm hearing. I'm marking it.
I only eat meat once in a
Blue moon.
Blue moon.
Blue moon.
blue moon. This job's my dash to get experience in the industry.
Golden
opportunity.
Golden opportunity. If something happens out of the blue, it's
Surprise.
surprise.
I'm just marking whatever you say.
If you are taking the red eye, you are taking
Red. Very late light.
Early train.
Early train.
Early training.
Marking whatever I hear, I'm marking it.
We were given the dash to take time off for our holiday.
Green light.
Green light.
Green light.
Green,
Green light.
green light.
Okay.
If you were born with a silver spoon in your mouth, you're born
Rich
into a
family.
dash.
Rich family.
Red train.
People often show their dash when they have too much to
By
drink.
color.
True color.
True color.
True color.
True colors.
True color.
Okay, shall we take the answers?
Yes, yes.
80%. Now tell me what went wrong. Right in the beginning.
I'm 6 and
Question 3. Question 3.
Question
question 3.
Sad.
You? What are you?
It should be sad.
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 Yes, yes.
When we are sad, I have to say that I'm down in the dumps. I have tattoos. Okay, what's the next one?
Embarrassing.
This is a surprise. It comes out of the blue.
Sixth
This is a surprise.
Sixth one. Sixth.
Seventh one, the red eye.
Embarrassing.
If you are taking the red,
Embarrassing.
there was someone who told this correct. If you are taking the red eye, you are taking what?
A very flat. Late flight.
very
Yeah,
late
very right. Okay. Now there are two things. Your eyes are red when you wake up early or when you go late. So this is a late flight. Now let's check the answers once more, 100%. Okay. So this is the way an aptitude test happens. The questions are very simple, and since we are thinking all alone, we often make a lot of mistakes, and that's why you find it difficult clearing the rounds. So let me now talk to you. Let me come back. There's some sound coming. I think you all must switch off your mics for a while. Switch off your mics for a while. Swapnil, Vaishnavi, switch off your mics. Switch off your mics. Om, switch off your mic. Ground rules are as soon as we finish talking, we switch off our mics. And do not push me out of the meeting. Okay. So now let me talk to you all. So this is the way we introduce students. We have the Versant, we have Duolingo with 13 different kinds of tests. We usually, what we do is we introduce the students to these different resources. There are students who find it very difficult coming up to the mark because of the non-uniformity of English language and teaching in various places in Maharashtra and in other cities. So for these students, we specially share the resources and they begin studying on their own. Any kind of doubts are there, any extra help is needed, they always approach us. And now you can ask if you feel that you need to talk to your seniors, you can ask them some questions. Okay? Yes? Anyone who wants to talk to Jayashree and Sangeeta, you want to know their experiences, want to know something about the literary club, want to know something more about soft skills and language and communication skills, and how do you grow more confident, positive, and gentleman, and negotiate and have small chat and people skill, you can talk to Jayashree and Sangeeta. You can put them one question each, I think. So. They've been there here. Did you notice how they were helping me? They were fully, managing me too. I never knew that I had left the meeting twice. And had they not been there, I wouldn't have known it. So a teacher also needs the students with her all the while. So anyone who wants to put a question to them, and we'll be winding up at 10:40 sharp, so that you get 10-15 minutes for your next session. Today you'll be visiting your departments and you'll have much more to learn. Yes. Yes, Athar. What happens in the literary club? We discuss, no, we don't discuss books at all. Yes. Thank you so much for those questions. We don't discuss books at all. We generally have activities. We have urban debates. We have open mic, where we have an opportunity for all the students in Marathi, Hindi, and English. they get an opportunity to sing. They use the guitars. We also had this open mic online this time, and the students brought their guitars and all that. So they enjoy it. That's an evening, an event where they come alive. This literary club is a platform for exploration. Model United Nation is a platform where it creates debating skills. You get an opportunity to dress like professionals, represent your country. We give them countries, we give them flags, and for all this, the students who are there now, Jayashree was the vice president of the literary club, and Sangeeta was a board member. So there were many more boys and many more girls who were the technical heads, promotional heads. Together we all arrange and we give them the opportunity to participate too. They do both the things. Foreign languages, we have Japanese, which is being taught. We have a Japanese lecturer who comes to the college. What was the question there, Jayashree? What was the last question? And Model United Nations is an event, it goes on for 3 hours. We represent one committee. We have the president giving out the resolution. We had Aarti Sharma, who was from civil engineering, but got placed in Quantify in the first round just because of her ability to connect with people. Excellent oratory skills she had. Okay, Jayashree, what's the last question that they have asked?
They are asking if information about exam and studies of ISRO and ISRO and NASA.
Let me see that. Tell me about information about exam and studies. We have a special person doing all these things. We have somebody else who will be doing. Okay, I'm related to humanities and professional development. And ISRO, those kind of exams which are there, that is placement tests, will be given, by Bobde sir from Civil Department. We have Ramesh Rathod sir from Mechanical Engineering, who will be telling you about higher studies, and they are all distributed. I'm specially for language, communication skills. It's all joyful kind from my side. Okay, Chaitanya, what else? You have any more questions? Model United Nations is a wonderful platform where they represent a country. No more. Okay. So we will be sharing a link with you for a feedback. Do fill it in. And from tomorrow, we have individual classes. How do you reduce your spelling mistakes? Remember, the spelling is not connected to what we see usually. So because of we need to know phonetics and the sounds, that helps us a lot. What is it, Jayashree?
What all events we have other than MUN?
Other than MUN, we have, I told you, we have an open mic, we have debates, we have group discussions, we have poetry writing, poetry recitation, we have intercollegiate extempore competition we had for the TechnoSpark. We have anything which is new. We keep changing. We don't have a set schedule. For every year we grow. That's what it is. MUN is Model United Nations. United Nations is a conference. It is a conference. It's a model one, which we do it. So we have been doing it since 2018. We began that. Okay. Anything else?
There are a few more questions. Abhishek asked how to reduce spelling mistakes.
Spelling mistakes, I told you, we need to develop those dictionary skills, and we need to also know the sounds that are attached to the words. We have 44 sounds. So you will be knowing it slowly, and I'll be giving you the resources too. We have many clubs here. English, this is an excellent question. How to improve the fluency in English for any language? If I need to improve my Marathi or Hindi or English, the secret is the same. You use the language, you gain the language. You do not use the language, you lose the language. You don't get it at all. Use whatever. Now, like you learned a series of words in COVID-19, related to COVID-19. You need to use those words. Okay, like the there was a super spreader. I have not heard about it. Super spreader is one who infects many people at the same time, I believe. So do you have any? Yes, yes, we have Arts Club. Priya ma'am is here on the group. Priya ma'am runs the Arts Club, and students enjoy it a lot. Okay.
Nandini has a question. She is asking how we control our nervousness on our first day of college with new environment along with new people around us. How do we communicate with them with great confidence?
That's a wonderful question, Nandini. You don't need to be nervous at all. You all are at par, joining at the same time. And for this, I usually say begin speaking. You be proactive, begin speaking. We call it the small chat. And the more you have small chats with people, you grow comfortable and you enjoy talking, and then the nervousness is lost. Don't see what the person is going to think about you. You think about how well can you talk and carry your smile and your confidence always. And it becomes very easy getting along with people. Yes, there was one other question. Yeah.
But it's 10:45.
There's one drone making. Drone is drone electronics and telecom. Yeah. What is it, Jayashree?
I was saying we still have questions, but it's time already.
The time to go. Before that, Deep's question, drone club is there. Drones are made. We have Baja and all that also. And grammar, we begin with grammar only for the first year so that you know the error finding, we say in aptitude. We do a little bit of grammar, a little bit of communication skills, just 7 to 8 classes per semester. We do it for the first years. From second years, it is a full-fledged course that is there. Okay, college is beginning tomorrow. What else? We have sports club. We have, do we have seminar hall for open mic? Yes, we do have seminar hall. And we enjoy it. Right now, because of the pandemic, we are online. Otherwise, it would have been fun meeting you all. So thank you so much for attending and have a great day. And thank you for the special time that you have taken out on this Sunday morning. So with all this, let me bid you goodbye. And we meet again from tomorrow. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you, Jayashree and Sangeeta. Without you, I wouldn't have known that I was pushed out of the meeting. Thanks a lot, children.
No problem.
Okay. Thank you so much, students. Have a great day. Sharda sir, push me out.
Yes, madam.